Welcome to Instant Data Services. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how the data editor form filling autotyper software works and how it can automate the form filling process. Now, let's get into the demonstration. First, open the image files provided by the company. These images contain the data that needs to be entered into the data editor forms. The image data is converted into Excel files, as the auto form filler software uses Excel files as the input source. Now, open the auto form filler software. This is the main software interface. Next, open the data editor form. Place the data editor form and the auto form filler software side by side for easier access. Now, select the required pattern file and Excel file in the software. After selecting the files, click Begin. A countdown will start. During the countdown, place the cursor in the first field of the data editor form. Once the countdown ends, the software starts entering the data into the required fields automatically, reducing the need for manual typing. As you can see, the data editor form filling autotyper software makes repetitive form filling work faster, easier, and more efficient.